Yeah. Alrighty. Sorry, I'm trying to pull up my chat if you're watching. Alrighty. Oh boy, got crying in the background. Alrighty, 15 seconds in. Here we go. Alright guys, welcome back. So this video I am going to be finishing the game. Where I'm at so far, I went ahead and reverted some changes from the end of my last video. So I do actually have dying now. I went the simple way. Show you how I did it in a second. But this is where I'm at now. Let me go ahead and pause the music. So I got my waves going. Got the music. Got the enemy tank. He's really bad at aiming, so am I though. Okay, he can hit me. So I got my wave system, wave 2 beginning in blah 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 seconds. Then we'll have 2 enemies come out now. I want to die, kind of, so... Okay, so this is what happens when I die. My turret's gone. And I can't move, so now I just need to make it pop up, say, you've died, restart, question mark, whatever. Click the button. So, that is going to be done from my... Let's see... My objects. These are my scripts. I need to go to my objects. My managers. I think we're going to do that on a game manager, which is going to handle kind of the game loop. So I'm just going to name this one Game Manager. And I'm going to set a create event. I'm going to say game state. We'll say I'm gonna make an enum called game state. And then I'm gonna say menus, active, and dead. Why not? And I'm gonna set current game state equal game state dot menus to start out with. Okay, and then I'm gonna have a step event. Actually, let's do a script. Oh, let me go ahead and continue my music. So let's have a script where my gameplay, I'm gonna make a new script called game state, or change game state. And it's gonna take in an argument. Game state, new state equals, sorry, var new state equals argument 0. And then we're gonna say game manager dot current game state equals argument 0 or new state. Okay, and then we're gonna call the game manager custom event. So we're gonna say with game manager user event user 0, and this is kind of going to be like a trigger for the game manager to do something upon this new event. Okay, so sorry, my back's hurting. Let's go to create the user event for this game manager, and this is going to be called on state change. And then we're simply going to do something. So switch current game state, and we're gonna say game state, or case game state dot, I don't know why this never shows me. Okay, active. We're gonna maybe do something here. Case game state dot dead break, and then case game state dot menus, whatever. Probably not gonna do anything for menus. Okay, so the first thing is on room change. So actually, let's say my game manager. Yeah, we'll say on room change. Let's go to other room start. We'll say if room equals level 1, so we're in the active room. We're gonna say current, or let's do change state. Change game state to state dot active. Sorry, game state dot active. Okay, and that's gonna call our user event, and doesn't really need to do anything at this moment. But for game state dead, we may want to do something. So game state dead, maybe we'll create an object that will display like a restart. So let's create a new instance. This is going to be a menu type thing. So let's just go to menus. I'm gonna add group. It's going to be a restart menu. Wait, is this a group? Okay, yeah. And then create an object. We're going to call it game restart menu. And then when this appears, it's going to start out with alpha 0. And then in it, it's going to kind of fade into view. So we're going to draw GUI, draw restart screen. Then we're gonna say, okay, so first off, let's go back to our, thank you, R2, thank you. Okay, I always like figuring out people's names, because generally they're either hard to pronounce or they're just kind of off the wall stuff. It's fun. Okay, screen blink manager. Wait, where was I? What was I doing? Game manager, that's right. So in the state of case game state dead, we're gonna say instance create layer. We're just gonna say, I want it to be on the top layer, the very top layer. What is the top layer? The trees layer, I guess? It's kind of weird. I should make a new layer for it, but this will work for now. So we're gonna just create it 0, 0, trees. Can I get like the layer that has the least depth or something? Layer get. That'd be a cool function to get the layer with the like the least depth, or I could just do create depth. Probably be more efficient. Create depth, and we'll just do like -1000 because we want this to be drawn on top of everything. And we'll create the game start menu, or a game. So I named it restart menu. Restart menu. Okay. So now our restart menu is going to get created. It's going to start with an alpha of 0, so its drawing is going to be 0. And then we'll say draw, we'll put text. Draw set font. It's going to be a FNT, future narrow large. Draw set, or draw, yeah, let's get our text actually. So draw text equals would you are dead, or you died, would you like to restart? Okay. This might be a little bit large of a string. Draw text 1. Do you want to? No, let's just do it in one string. Okay. Then we're gonna say draw text center equals string width. Draw text. Oh, sorry. Draw text. Wait, what is draw text? Oh, never mind. I kind of, that was a stupid question. Okay, divided by 2, and then we're gonna say screen center equals GUI manager dot get screen, wait, window, what is it, view center, so it should be called view center actually, view center. Okay. Say center X. Okay, and then we're gonna say draw text X equals view center X minus draw text center. This should actually be X as well. Okay. Okay, draw text Y equals, let's just do 200. Okay. Let's do draw text extended. Let's do extended transformed. Can I just do draw text transformed? Yeah, transformed. Then we're gonna draw it at draw text X. Draw text Y, then string is going to be draw text. X scale is going to be maybe 0.7 because I know I'm going to have to make it smaller. 0.7 on the, let's do 0.8. Then the angle is going to be 0. Okay. And then we're also going to decrease the alpha, or increase the alpha. If alpha is less than 1, alpha minus equal, or plus equal, fade in speed. We'll set in here, fade in speed equals 0.01, just to 0.5. Okay, so that's our fade in speed. And then, actually, we could probably do something like this. Times alpha. We can actually get it to like grow into size as well. That would be kind of cool. Or should we do like a lerp? Let's do a lerp. Alpha equals lerp from alpha to 1, 0.1. And let's say if alpha is less than 1. Okay. And now we need to do draw set alpha to alpha. And after all this, we need to do draw set alpha to 1. Okay, so now when we died, this should get created. And we need to actually draw another piece of text. Draw text 2. Press Y for yes. Or we'll just say Y for yes. Or N for no. So we don't have to make any buttons or anything. We'll just do some basic something like this, and then we actually can copy and paste all this code. So we want to draw it slightly, maybe like 400. And it's going to be draw text 2 for all these. We don't have to reset that. And we're going to draw text 2. Should be it. Draw restart. Draw options. This is going to draw restart text. Okay, and then we're gonna say keyboard. Let's do key pressed, letters Y. It's gonna execute the restart game. We're gonna say room go. Can I reload or something? Restart, sweet. And in the case of key pressed letters in, we're gonna say room go to. Actually, we'll say game restart. So it restarts my instances and everything. I hope. I think game restart actually destroys your persistent objects. I hope. We'll see. And then, well, this is gonna restart the game. It's gonna restart the level. Okay. So this should kick us to the main menu. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Draw. Okay. Oh, shoot. One more thing. Restart level. We'll set our game manager dot current game state equals game state dot active. This we'll just, oh wait, we have to use the change game state thing. Change game state dot active. And this will change our game state to menus. Okay. So now we should have our loop, hopefully, for a game. Hello, Dot Stream. What's up? Okay. I need to find some counting text. I could do a lot more polishing, especially on the enemy AI on things, but yeah, of course there's a lot more polishing. I may do all that, but probably not on stream. I might do it and then release it to. Oh yeah, I need to see how I die. If I can hit this guy. There we go. You know, I actually thought about doing a deathmatch game with these tanks online, like a multiplayer, peer-to-peer networked game. And I may actually do that, because I like the graphics and I kind of like the mechanics of this. It'd be kind of fun to do a multiplayer thing. Probably be a good example as well, so I may end up doing that. Be kind of cool. Where are these tanks at? Hello? Are they coming? Did I break something? Let me restart this. That's odd. I don't think I touched anything that should mess with that. That's weird. need to decrease that speed. It's just for debugging purposes, though. Oh, here we go. Tricked ya. What, baby? Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. Third wave. Let's see what happens. I need a new mic thing. Like, my mic is so far away, and yeah. Oh yeah, I need to die. That's what I was doing. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, hello? I died. Where's the text? Mother trucker. Oh, I never instantiated my stinking game manager. So I have to instantiate it by setting it as a singleton. And that's it. I need to use event inherited here. Inherited. That's it. So now, while testing is slow, I need to make it to where I can spawn enemies or something with like a debug key. Dang it. That is so cool. I love the the tree thing. Take that tree. Thank you, Gazka. Gazaka. I don't like this, how they kind of slide around each other. Hello? Work. Okay, so let's see what's going wrong. So my game manager had to be existing. Yeah, I set its parent, event inherited. So it did exist. Oh, I never triggered the state change. So I actually need to trigger that. So where's my character die event thing? Where is my character die? How does he die? I don't even remember how I... Oh, I know how. Damage event, dead, player, dead event. Here we go. So I need to set change game state to game state dot dead. There you go. And that should trigger everything for me. All the game state changing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the game up right now. I have about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna do some more polishing on it, probably off stream. But then I'm gonna release it. So you guys can get the code and everything and go through the videos and look at what you want to look at, figure out how it was done or whatever. I don't care, whatever. But I want to get the game loop done. So I want to return to menus if I press no. Just restart the level if I press yes. I wish they could aim though. I really need to... I guess they're not doing too bad. Oh, hello. Why did it be all weird like that? Oh. Oh crap. Every time they hit me, it keeps respawning. Oh, let's say yes. Okay, there we go, so. Oh, it didn't change the wave? It didn't change the wave, and the text is drawing weird. I'm more worried about the weird drawing text. So, restart the level. We need to say wave manager dot event. Oh wait, we'll say with wave manager, we'll say event user. Let's go to our wave manager actually. So event 3. How can I go back easily? Okay. Say event 3, then we'll make event 3 other user event 3. And this is going to be a restart game. It's going to say current wave equals 1. Actually, say current wave is 0, and then what else do I call? How do I current wave equals 0? Oh, the room start. The current wave equals 0. I think that should be all I need to do. Okay, and then we have a restart menu, and the draw thing is weird. I don't understand. Do I need to set the font before I do all this calculation? The string width stuff? Draw set font up here, and then do the width calculation. Yeah, let's read about the string width function actually. This function will return the width in pixels of the input string. It is very handy for calculating distance. Okay, the measure of the width of... Yeah, let me test it like this. Does it use the currently set font? That's the question. You suck. All right. Can y'all just hit me? Thank you. Damn, okay. I'm not even moving. All right, here's the secret to winning this game, guys. You just sit still. Literally. Please. There we go. That's better. Say no. Okay, yeah, it takes me to the menus. Good to go. There's something weird happening with the drawing, though. Why is it being weird? Draw text, draw center. String width divided by 2, view center. That's fine. The X should be the view center minus the draw text center. That's correct. XY. Maybe I'll just make a slightly smaller one and not use the scale because I think the scale's throwing it off. So I'll just make a smaller font to use. Font. Where are you at? Fonts. There we are. Instead of large, I'll say medium. And this will be, we'll put it at like, wait, what was I using actually? Was I using large? Dang it. Come on. Managers. What was it? Game manager? No, restart guy. I have him at menus. That's game restart menu, draw. Yeah, I was using large. No wonder, I think that's huge. Use medium. We'll use 60. Try that. And then we need to go back to the restart menu, then change this to medium. Actually, what is 0.8 of 80? What is that? Why can't I think of it? 80% of 80. Like 60? Yeah, I think it's 60, right? No. What? Yeah, I'm not good at math, okay? Not in my head, at least. Oh, that's 8. Not on the calculator either. Times 0.8. 64. So I need to go a little bit lower. Yeah, sweetie. Yeah, baby. Let's go 55. Take it, eat it. And then, yeah, let's try that. So I know that the game restart worked. I got to try yes this time. And if that works, then I think it's good to go. I might make a couple more waves, actually. There's a lot more I want to do to this, but I also have ideas for a couple other games that I want to do live as well. So, like I said, I might go ahead and juice this one up a bit. Add like a cursor. I need to add their ricochets. Add a couple more artificial intelligence things. There we go. Oh, dang. Slightly still too big, but let's say yes. We're at current wave 1. Okay, I think we're good. Health is reset. There's only one guy. So I think the reset game worked. Oh, where'd that guy shoot at? What the heck? Wow, I'm not much better than they are. Oh yeah, they can still hit me and keeps resetting. I can fix that. But yeah, I just need to decrease the size to probably 48 or something. And then I should be able to say no and go to the main menus, right? Okay, cool. Alrighty. So, yeah. So all I really need to do is go here, set my fire rate to something more like a second. So I'll say room speed. It's my fire rate, and then that should make it to where I can't shoot so fast. Let's actually make it more than a second. Change it to room speed times 2, so like 2 seconds. And then I need to decrease the medium to 48, something like that. Go, baby. Go get water. Go get water. Okay, no. Yeah, don't spill it. And then let's see. Let's do. Yeah, all the streams are up. Thank you. I'm about to be done with this one. I have an idea for a couple other ones. I do think I'm gonna revisit kind of, well, at least the assets and things, and I'm gonna do like a 3 versus 3 peer-to-peer networked game using the assets and kind of the mechanics of this. I think that'd be pretty cool. What else was I missing? Oh yeah, I only want that object to get created if there's not already one existing, basically. So let's see. Yeah, baby, I'll get it for you in a minute, okay? Give me like 10 minutes. All right. Let's see. Player dead event. We only want this to execute if, yeah, we'll say if game state manager. Wait, I guess it's just game manager, huh? Manager dot current game state equals game state dot active. Then we will do this. That way it doesn't happen more than once. And let me add a win condition. I might add a win condition later on. I'll go ahead and add a small one here. So the win condition can happen on the wave manager. So if I go to my managers, my wave manager here, I could say on the new wave, current wave equals this. Let's see. And I'll have final wave equals 5 here. And then on new wave, I will say if current wave equals, wait, does not equal final wave, then execute this code, or else win game. Win game. I'm just gonna do a show message. You beat the game. Sweet. So you beat the game. Show message. Say, I guess game restart. Okay. And one other thing I want to do is make the enemies have shooting sounds, because they currently don't. So if I go to my player turret, when do I actually, nope, it'll be the projectile. Projectiles, skinny projectile. On create plays the audio. I should just do, actually, let's just keep that there. Let's do the same with the blue projectile. Play a sound. And we'll say odd. And then I'll say audio. I want their kind of shot to be less relevant or prevalent. What's the word for that? Audio set. Wait, gain? What is the audio gain? How do I set the gain to this guy? I just literally feel like I did it. Gain. Audio sound gain. There we go. Index is odd. Level, let's do 0.7. And time, let's do 0. Okay. So I want to basically set its volume. It's my daughter back there. All right, here we go. Let me go ahead and make a sound. I'm gonna try to make a point to beat it this time. See if I can actually beat the game. So you'll notice the volume of the tank is actually like kind of decreases. Yeah, I wish their sound was a bit different. I guess I could change the pitch to make it a bit different, but I also wish I had a hit sound, but I just don't have the sound effects. I could look them up, but like I said, I might do like a different version. I thought I stopped the music. There we go. I could also do 3D audio. That would kind of help know where the sound's coming from. Oh my god. I forgot that I can't shoot fast. Oh god. Alright, I'll give it one more shot. So I think it might be too hard, but I'll adjust it later. Look at this guy. Oh. I should probably add a reloading you can kind of get a direction like away from them and kind of turn it a bit as they fire, but at the same time you have to be accurate. Or you're wasting your movement. Alright, there we go. There actually is a bit of skill to it. I mean, you can get kind of in front of them and wiggle your way like left and right, slalom, whatever you call that. The snake move. Now that you can't fire so fast, it actually is. And they actually do roam, so like that guy, if his roam position is down there, he'll just kind of roam around down there for now. Looks like he's broken though. I don't know what he's doing, honestly. Here he comes. Oh, no, no. Gosh, dang it. Ah. There we go. So we're at wave 3. Alright. Kill this guy fast before the other guys get here. Oh. Oh. No. Oh, you can hit them both at the same time if you're trying hard enough. There we go. 2 more waves. This wave and 1 more. But they get harder, and I should really have like a health pickup or something. Like if you kill one, maybe they drop some health or something. Oh, please don't hit me. Oh lord. Okay. I feel like that's good enough. I feel like you could win the game, so maybe if you don't get hit in the first couple. You know what? I'll give it 1 more shot. You don't have to watch. It's pretty fun. I'll build it and release it, and then I'm gonna do some editing and commenting before I release the source code and stuff. So I'm gonna go through and comment it and clean some stuff up, and then I'll do some juiciness to it as well. Okay, don't get hit by the first. Gosh dang it. The tank sound kind of gets irritating. I should make it get really quiet as you slow down. Okay, so let's try to stay on this side of the map and kill this guy. Oh, jeez. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna lose this. Okay, don't get hit by one guy that's so far away. Oh. There we go. There probably is like a set of movements that makes it impossible for them to hit you, but I don't know it. Okay, so now there's gonna be 3 tanks. Maybe I should give back a little bit of health upon oh god, that's gonna Whatever. Alright. Alright, good enough. Before I release this, I'm gonna give it a less volume on the idle. Maybe like 0.5 on the actual like full-blown rolling, because yeah, it is a bit annoying after a minute of listening. There we go, that's much better. Yeah, that's way better. The freaking audio was really annoying. Yeah. Yeah. All right, and then here we are. Oh. So you don't, I don't think you want to take a shot on the first. Oh, reverse direction, you think? Let me see. The thing is when there's a lot of them, some of them actually, they actually have a chance to shoot like behind you though. So like, for instance, maybe, actually you could be right. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do though. Oh, whatever. Works good. Sounds a lot better now too. All right. There we go, team. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna build this and I'll let you guys have it. Make sure there's not anything I'm missing before I build it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and make them spawn a when they shoot. When do they shoot? Here we go. I'm gonna make them spawn a. Oh, dang it. Did I actually have to set the. How does it set the rotation? I'm confused. Oh, gosh dang it. I guess I could just say when it shoots, I equals, I'll say I.image angle equals image angle. There we go. So now they should have a shot out of their barrel as well. And then I'll release it. Sorry, I could keep doing this forever, but I'm talking about the muzzle flash, by the way, from their barrel. There we go. So now they have a muzzle flash too. Oh, dang. There we go. So yeah, I really want to make this like a multiplayer game. I think that'd be fun to like dodge bullets and stuff. Be really cool. Oh god. Jeez, I don't even know if this is possible, but you guys could try it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna build it now. Let's do file. You know what? Should I make like a stinking like a better start menu than this? Can I just drag like a. Where's my menu? Menus, start menu, create a new object, create like a menu tank. Just do like This guy's not in the game, but whatever. So I'll just do like a menu tank, and I'll do like a menu menu something obstacle. I don't know. We'll do like, I don't know. Google? Oh. Wait, what did I do? Sprites, that's what I was looking for. Sorry, I'm like... Oh, I guess I need the turret, or it'll look stupid. Let's just do Big O turret, whatever. And then you just go in here and be like background. You just set it to environment, backgrounds, BG grass, tile. And then I could just do like instances, new tank, like scale this guy. If I rotate, I don't freaking know. Oh. Why not? There you go. That's better. You guys have a problem with it? Sorry. It's better than it was. Black screen, alright? There we go. Maybe a title? I wish I could like just type text into the... It needs a title, guys. It has to have a title, right? Let me just create a sprite and then set it to like height of 128 and then width of like 800. Let's do 1000. Then let's go here. Okay, what? Did it not resize? I'm confused. Why is it a square? Oh, it did 1000 by 1000. Oops. Aspect ratio, height 500. Cool. Then we come in here, use Gamemaker's awful text editor. Size, let's do 100. Tank Wars, sure, why not? Let's do a different font though. What was the Kinney? Oh, what? Hello? Kinney Future Narrow. Come on. So Gamemaker's text thing is confirmed awful. Future Narrow. Here we go. Tank Wars. It needs to be much larger, huh? Frozen? Hello? Can I move it? Of course not. Tank Wars. Of course, that's too large. Tank Wars. Sure. Why not? Then let's do tank Wars, and then I'll just do an object. Start menu, create group. Tank Wars menu. Gonna be the Tank Wars. Then go to start menu, drag Tank Wars in there. Is that centered? Looks centered to me. There you go, guys. Tank Wars. Yeah, it's bad. I wish you could type just a text to like the screen or something. I don't know. In the room editor, I know it's not really. I need to start the music actually on game start. I don't have any objects that persist. through there. I could use the ambient manager, put it in the start menu. And then I think when it tries to create it in the game loader, then it won't be able to create it. So let's see what happens there. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. Cool. All right, there you go. Let's do build, create executable, packages zip. I'll put it in my Dropbox. Game design, nope, not that one. Limited games, GM project, shared. Where shared? Nope, that's not it. Shared projects. Let's do Tank Wars, executable, save. Then I go to Dropbox, game design. Nope, Gloomy Toad games, game project, shared projects, and share, create link, copy link, and it's now in that and in the comments. So if you guys play, if you guys beat it, send me like a screenshot or something. I don't know if it's beatable. So if it's beatable, I need to know. It's pretty rough. Okay. I'll give it one more shot and then I gotta go. I got some stuff to do tonight. By the way, arrow keys to move, sorry. Arrow keys to move, mouse to aim. And you move in the direction that you're pressing, so you only get 4 directions basically. Yeah. Alright. So I'm already half health. Yeah, I'm about to die. I think when you're this, yeah, when you're that close to him, you're basically dead. Okay, there we are. Cool, awesome, guys. It's called GMS2 game template. I actually overwrote my freaking template, so I'm gonna have to get it from Git again because I opened it up. Oh well. All right. So if you guys enjoyed this thing, I'm going to be doing another one. Probably not this week, probably next week. Different game. If you guys have ideas for games you want to see or something, let me know. I'll try to do maybe a faster one or whatever. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you liked it, go support me on Patreon. I'll be releasing the actual game file a few days early on Patreon after I get the commenting and stuff done. I just try to give my patrons some incentives, some good stuff, I guess, for supporting me. So if you guys want to support me as well, patreon.com/GloomyToad. And yeah, so leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is that awkward moment where I'm like shutting it down. See you guys.